So we are picking up on chapter 13, capitulum tertium decimum, and we're at line 35 here. Dies es dum sol in caelo est. The day is while the sun is in the sky. Primas pars diei est mane. The first part of the day is morning, mane. Pars postrema vesper. The last part, evening. Dies est tempus, day is the time, a mane ad vesperum, from morning to the evening. Nox est tempus a vespero ad mane, night is the time from the evening to the morning. Vesper est, the evening is, finis diei, the end of the day, atque initium noctis, and the beginning of the night. Mane finis noctis est, morning is the end of the night, atque initium diei, and the beginning of the day. All right, now we can see here a Roman sundial with the shadow falling, looks like on the third hour of the day. The Roman day is divided into 12 hours, as you can see here. They are of equal length, but they are variable length. So we think of hours being fixed 60 minutes, and minutes are always the same. But for the Romans, hours were twelfths of daylight time. So you divide all of the daylight time between sunrise and sunset into equal 12 parts, and that's what your hours are. So during the summer, when the daylight time is longer, the hours are longer. During the winter, when the daylight time is shorter, the hours are actually shorter. But each hour is an equal part of the day, again because they base these hours on a sundial. So, reading at line 40, dies in duodecim horas dividitur. The day is divided into 12 hours. Okay, just like the 12 months of the year, coincidentally, right? Ab hora prima, from the first hour, dies initium facit. The day makes its beginning. So, the first hour, hora prima, begins at dawn for the Romans, as soon as the sun is just coming up. Hora sexta, quae hora media est. The sixth hour, which is the middle hour, est inter horum primum et duodecimum, is in between the first and the 12th hour. Meridies nominatur, it's named the midday noon hour, right? So meridies means two things. You can translate it as noon or midday, but you can also translate it as south. That's because at midday in the northern hemisphere, at noon, the sun is going to be directly south of you. Okay, so for the Romans in the northern hemisphere, and for us in America, North America in the northern hemisphere, at noon the sun is directly south. Thus, meridies means both noon and south. Hora sexta vel meridies diem dividit in duas aequas partes. The sixth hour, or noon, divides the day into two equal parts. Ante meridium, before midday, et post meridium, and after midday. Meridie, at noon, sol altissimus in caelo est. The sun is highest, notice altissimus, got the superlative there. The sun is highest in the sky. Sex horae sunt dimidiae pars diei. 6 hours are a half part of the day. All right, excellent. So that concludes the first section. We'll do another video lesson as we start section 2 next time. Valete omnes.